it's Gina with WTI. If you're ready to jump on the water for just some fun, relaxing paddling or some hardcore activity, then you've got to check out this amazing SUP from Rudder. I've been supping for a few seasons, and there's a few things that I look for in a board, and this ticks off all those boxes. The first thing is how stable this is. I just love that once I pump it up to 15 psi, it is so stable and easy to ride around in, super smooth on the water. I feel super comfortable jumping right up onto my feet, but even if I am in a sitting position or on my knees, I can easily get back up onto my feet because this board is really, really stable. I also love that it has a non-slip pad that you can stand, kneel, or sit on, whatever is your jam. And even though, of course, it's going to get wet, you're not going to find yourself slipping around or falling off the board because of that. This comes with permanent small fins and then a removable large fin. I love that because that aids to the stability, and then I don't have to mess around with adding on 3 fins. Not only is this a really durable and top-rate board, it also comes with a really good paddle. It feels amazing in my hands, and it just paddles really smoothly and well. This is a 10-foot board. It's 31 inches wide and it blows up to 4.75 inches high. It was very buoyant in the water. In fact, I enjoyed even sliding onto the back of the board and then paddling it around like a surfboard. I thought that was really fun. I love the color. This is sky blue and it has some really beautiful wave patterns on it and stripes. It's very nautical looking and I just love it. Don't wait another minute to get one of these SUPs. They are high quality, they're so much fun to ride, and Rudder has lots of different designs and sizes to choose from. You're sure to find the one that is best for you. And that's my point of view.